Welcome to the search and rescue practice mission. Wel- mm. Welcome to the search and rescue practice video. There's also a search and rescue mission. This is the practice for it. So as I log in, I can go to this practice from Quick Play or the mission. I'm going through the mission. So for the search and rescue mission, here's the full objectives. I'll go to the dry dock, and when I click the green play button to bring up all the missions and tests, I'm going to select the search and rescue practice. The practice is different in that the people are very close and there's only 2 of them in the water. So I have everything I need for the mission. I have pump equipment, rescue equipment, and a helicopter. You could also use a rescue boat, and there's a couple different helicopter options. So not the search and rescue mission. I'm going to scroll over to the rescue practice. So I'm clicking on it. There's not that many objectives, just the one. Hit the green play button. It loads up. I'll see a buoy straight ahead of me. I'm going to drive for it. And I know that the 2 divers, the 2 people that I'm supposed to rescue in this practice are right here and here. I need to slow down when I get closer so I don't blow right by them. I can either pull the ship up next to them or use the helicopter or use a smaller craft, a rescue boat if I wanted to. For this video, we're going to use the helicopter, and I'm starting to slow down right now. I can't launch the helicopter at this speed. I'm going way too fast. So I click the button, nothing's happening. So I'm going to need to click the helicopter again once I get below 10 knots. And then that panel to the left will reappear. So I can't click the panel yet. I have to click the helicopter. Now I click the panel. Now I'm on the helicopter. The red square is the joystick. I'm going straight up. Up is forward, so you can see the tilt helps me go forward. I'm steering a little bit left and right to get over top of this person. Now I click this button to drop the rope and rescue. So the panel appears, and that's when I can start rescuing the person. I'm going to wait. I'm not hitting any button now. And now I'm going right. I'm going to go back and get the other person who's on the other side of the buoy. So I'm steering towards them, basically forward, but hitting left and right as necessary to get this person underneath the helicopter. The panel appears again. I click it, and then the sequence starts again where the rope drops. I'm keeping an eye on my gas. I'm very good. Still have a ton of helicopter fuel, but I need to make sure I don't run out. Now I'm ready to return to the ship. We have 2 people. The helicopter holds 2 people, so it's time to return to the ship. I get over top the helipad. This box reappears. That's okay to land, and then this sequence starts. I'm not hitting any buttons. The game is landing the helicopter itself, and then I get the feedback. I get the time, forum, 1 minute 54
or
seconds,
look for
and
more
this is
videos
something I
like
want to
this
track
at
over time.
www.fleetengineering.org.
You can choose a search and rescue mission because I've practiced and I know how to pull these people out of the water. If you have any questions about this mission or any other mission, check out the Fleet forum or see us at www.fleetengineering.org.